A very beautiful and lovely afternoon to all the parents present here on this wonderful platform of webinar, which is sponsored by the Evolving Minds Preschool. I, Mrs. Vibha, feel extremely delighted to welcome you all for putting up your views and opinions on these virtual classes which are being conducted by the Evolving Minds Preschool. Today we have with us esteemed members present in the form of Mrs. Ganjevar, who is our proud playgroup parent and an assistant professor at MGM Medical College, Aurangabad. Mrs. Ganjevar, can you please say hi so that everybody can see you?
Okay, hello. Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Next, we have with us Mrs. Preeti Dange ma'am, who is our junior KG parent and an engineer, chemical engineer by profession. Preeti ma'am, can you please wave a hi at all of us?
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Next, we have with us Mrs. Khushbu Munot ma'am, who is a very potential homemaker and a playgroup parent. And besides, she is a professional gemologist. Khushbu ma'am, can you please wave a hi to us?
Hi.
And last but not the least, we have with us Mrs. Leena Kothari ma'am, who is also a playgroup parent and a very skilled teacher. Leena ma'am, please say hi.
Hello, everyone. Good evening.
And we also have with us the director and the principal of the Evolving Minds Preschool, Mrs. Nirupama Bafna ma'am.
Good evening, all of you. And I welcome you all on behalf of the Evolving Minds Preschool.
So now I think that we all are ready to start with the panel discussion. And to begin with this panel discussion, my first question will be for Mrs. Khushbu Munot ma'am. Khushbu Munot ma'am,
Yeah.
how do you like this entire concept of virtual classes, which has been conducted by the Evolving Minds Preschool?
Okay, so homeschooling by the Evolving Mind has certainly been engaging and fun for Deshna and also for me. And I think this is the hour of need, like need of hour, so that in these tough times, it is the best and the safest way for their education, for our kids to be engaged and learn new things. And until such time when the school, like the kids cannot go to school, I think online classes is a must nowadays. And today our finance minister, even she talked about virtual classes and how in such crisis how virtual classes will be taken, like for all, like poor kids, everybody, it will be taking a big thing. And it brings like I believe those 15 days, even those 15 days for Deshna, it got a certain continuity, discipline and purpose on her daily basis. Otherwise it's like just chutti hai. But then since morning, the time she woke up, she knew that there is going to be a class. So I believe in such time it is a must. And it's a very good platform for Deshna, like for all kids to interact with their teachers and with their friends. So I believe it's a very good opportunity for us to just utilize whatever time we have in such crisis. And I believe it was not just an learning experience for Deshna, but for me also, because I got to know many techniques, how things or how activities or how stories, how it should be taught to her. So yeah, I believe it was a very good time, and I would like to have those online classes until the situations, until everything is all okay. Yeah.
Very well said, Mrs. Munot. Mrs. Munot said that these virtual classes are great tools for learning because these classes does not only educate students, these also educate the parents also. They teach the techniques and skills to parents also to how to educate the children at home. So a very short and very clear message given by Mrs. Munot. Thank you so much, Mrs. Munot.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
My next question will be for Mrs. Dange. Ma'am, as a parent, do you like assisting your child during these virtual classes which are going on from the side of school?
Hello everyone. Myself Preeti Dange and my kid is studying in the Evolving Mind from the last 2 years and he will be proceeding to senior KG this year. And we are fully satisfied with the team, their performing, their learning process, the activities going on in the school. It is definitely a very at good level. But looking for the current scenario, we are just missing the schools. But for this pandemic situation, we have to overcome this situation. And for the current situation, the TM has started learning process through virtual online classes. So definitely I will assist my kid for this online classes process. As a parent, we will be not that much able to make our kids learning process as easy as their mentor does. And they will be missing their schools, teachers and friends also. But to get out of from this situation, I will assist my child to virtual classes which TM has initiated. And lastly, I just want to thank whole Evolving Mind team and Nirupama ma'am who has initiated this joint hand process, and I will go for the virtual classes, and it is a very good initiative you people have chosen. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So very true, very truly said by Mrs. Dange that during this pandemic situation, there has to be some way to get out of this pandemic mindset. The kid needs to be happy. They need to be live and connected to their mentor and friends, which is possible only through the virtual classes. Thank you so much, Mrs. Dange, for expressing your views in such a beautiful way. And my next question here goes to Mrs. Ganjivar. Mrs. Ganjivar, do you feel that these virtual classes have helped in nourishing your child for their mental, social, and emotional well-being?
Yes, actually, first part of question was the nourishment. So as a doctor, I know that nourishment should be on regular basis. It's not like given in one dose and you get the nourish. So that nourishment on regular basis is maintained by the school. Secondly, social part. Though now we are in social distancing phase, still through these classes, the students are well connected with their teachers. So it helps in emotional bonding as well. And they are also aware of other children that they are attending these classes. So it makes them socially aware as well as with emotional bonding with the other children and their teachers as well. Thirdly, for mental purpose, as Munot ma'am says that, yes, they are aware they are going to interact with other teachers and the children in the class. So they are ready for that class as well. They are disciplined because this time has to be followed. They follow the activities which are made by their teachers. So in this home environment, which is not a very disciplined environment, same as the school, still they're following it. So it helps in their mental part as well. So yes, this is an unexpected setting, but change is inevitable in this pandemic situation. So yes, this is a continuing education going on. Still we are in the social distancing phase. So this nourishment is necessary and is given by the school. So I'm very thankful for the Bafna ma'am and the whole TM school for this activity.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Ganjivar. Being from a science fraternity, you have explained this entire concept very nicely. Socially, the kids are aware about their friends and mentors through these virtual classes. And mentally, they become very punctual and disciplined through these virtual classes. And emotionally, they are connected with their mentors, which makes them happy. And, it makes them feel live and excited through these
Yes.
virtual classes. So all these aspects have been, explained very nicely by you. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your answer, which has been beautifully given by you. My next question will be for Mrs. Leena Kothari, ma'am. Ma'am, do you feel that the routine of the virtual classes have engaged your child in a productive way and had shaped our day-to-day punctual schedule for them?
First of all,
Mrs.
thank you
Leena,
so
ma'am?
much. Yes. First of all, thank you so much to Nirupama ma'am for giving us this platform to speak as a parent also. So actually, yes, the routine and everything has been very punctual because they used to know all that 15 days. They have to wake up, they have to attend the class, they have to listen. And the first and the very happy thing for my child was he was missing his friends and school very much. As soon as when I told him the next day your class is going to be there and you're going to meet your friends, the happiness level was like I can't explain. He was so happy to see his friend virtually to virtually, but after so many days he was like, wow, mama, Ridhan, mama, everyone's like, he was taking one each and every child's name also. Ki mama ye hai, mama wo hai. So that has to become very good for them also, and the routine was very good. But my son, as ma'am also knows, he's like very naughty and very stubborn type of a child. I used to like face very much difficulty to make him sit, but no, without seeing video also, he used to always listen the audio of the class if sometimes the video was not been on also. He used to follow each and everything. In that way I am very happy, like he has listened his teacher telling that you have to help your mama in day to day work, and he is doing it. And the things which were taught in the class, he used to repeat that things in full day till the night, he used to say. And next day he used to sleep and say, mama, I'm going to do the class next day morning. But again it was a very difficult time to make him sit, but really he's enjoyed a lot. And as a mother I have enjoyed a lot being with him. Like each and every question, कि school तो जाता है, but like what they are doing we used to never see. We used to never be in their class. But now
Actually,
as this virtual classes, we have really experienced कि yeah, their mentors are taking so much pain to make them engage, to make them feel happy. Like it was a very good experience for me also with him. The one routine was like nicely, like it was maintained all these 15 days, and I am also looking forward for next year's classes also. As they are going to be in nursery now, it will be again a big task for them also to learn. Thank you.
Leena ma'am, as far as the matter of missing is concerned, so not only Aru, we all have missed and are missing our kids to the same extent. Either it be Art, either it be Deshna, Shrija, Arjun, Aru, everybody, we are even dying to see them as they are missing us in the same way. So
And
you as a
Vibha ma'am,
parent,
I want to add one more thing.
yes,
Actually,
ma'am.
he's seen a birthday celebration also in the classes. Like we have celebrated birthdays also. So 1st June is Arman's birthday, and he's waiting for that like
Oh.
anything. He's
Definitely,
happy
ma'am.
like anything. Like
Definitely.
my friends will wish me, and I'll be with my friends
Yes,
virtually.
ma'am.
या कैसे
That
भी,
will
but
be
he's like,
definitely done.
yeah, that means he's waiting. Like kids are waiting to meet their friends again. They are waiting for the classes to be started again.
Actually, ma'am, your experience is a practical answer to the question of those parents who are saying that my kid doesn't sit in front of the screen, or he is becoming a bit reluctant in responding to the virtual classes. My answer to them is that gradually, with the time, if you will make
Yeah.
them in practice, the child will definitely love to sit in front of the screen and learn whatever the mentor is teaching through the virtual classes. My next question, I can see my director ma'am is getting a bit of emotional today. Is it so, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am, because it's a difficult time and you're not able to see the kids, and I'm not able to see my team
Actually,
also often, and then the school is totally empty. So, I really wish that everything gets back to normal. But though up till the things get normal, we have to be on. Yes, ma'am.
actually. Okay. So, ma'am, if you're talking about that, everything should get normal as quick as possible. My one question to you also, that
Yes, ma'am.
how do you see the structure of schooling in the coming time during this all pandemic scenario?
Thank you, Vibha ma'am, for a wonderful question. First of all, let me thank all the TM parents for their valuable feedback. And your feedback would motivate other parents also for this online schooling, since there is no option available in this pandemic right now. It was rightly said by Mrs. Khushbu Monu that it is the need of the hour. And right now, it is very, very important for all of us to keep our kids engaged creatively when they have very limited options available. Coming back to your question, Vibha ma'am, let me tell
Yes,
you
ma'am.
that the structure of schooling in the coming years is going to change a lot. Online homeschooling will be a new name added in the schooling of the kids worldwide. Parents might find it as a good option after the school reopens also, as the kids are in front of their comfort and safe zone amidst COVID-19, which is not going to go easily, as said by WHO. In this pandemic, I feel that online education is better than no education, whether we accept it or not. COVID-19 has accelerated all the online platforms of learning. Ma'am, screens are going to stay. We cannot run away from this possibility. We would have to use this as a tool of learning now and not as a tool of time pass. By using this as a learning option, we can help our kids to develop mentally, socially, and emotionally. It's time for optimism, ma'am, and adaptability rather than being negative about the learning options available. So we would have to see the brighter side of the coin and start with the online homeschooling and do not waste further time. So now it would be a triangle of parents, teachers, and kids for the betterment of the child. As said by Mrs. Dangi, that we would all have to make ourselves adaptable to the new learning process. Life and learning cannot be stopped and has to move on in spite of different challenges. So, in my opinion, the new normal in the school education would be online schooling in the coming years. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. So, in short, if I summarize your answer, ma'am wants to say that Chalti ka naam zindagi. Life doesn't stop for anybody.
The
Life
show
has
has to
to
be
go
on.
on. A show has to be on, despite of different challenges coming in our way. And now even the experts have said that virtual classes are more beneficial and are more adaptable in comparison to physical classes. How they have schedule flexibility, knowledge retention, they have a convenient way, increased convenience by sitting at the home, at the comfort of the home, the children can learn whatever they want to. So even I feel that the new normal will be the virtual classes schooling. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your answer.
Welcome.
So before I wind up with this entire panel discussion, one last question is there, and I want everybody of you to answer it as quickly as in one line. Okay? So I will start with the ma'am only. Ma'am, are you ready?
Okay. Yes. Okay. Fine, Vibha, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, even you are a parent. You have two beautiful children
Yes,
who
ma'am.
are also taking the virtual classes, the help of virtual classes for learning nowadays. So, can you, as a parent, imagine your child not learning anything for the next 1 year under the guidance of mentors, when the virtual classes are the only option of the safest and recommended learning? I have popped up this question because many parents have started realizing the importance of virtual classes, and on contrary, many parents feel that their kids should have restricted screen time. So, how important are the virtual classes for imparting this process of learning to the children in today's scenario?
Ma'am, as a mentor, I would say only one line, that a mentor is someone who allows you to see the hope inside for any kind of challenges. So just have faith in your mentor. He will never ever wish something bad for your child. So the screen
Right.
time also right now is the best education because there is no option. So if the mentor
And-
chooses the online education is the best option for your child, then go ahead with it and have faith. The only mantra is have faith, the things will go fine. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. And you mean to say that the screen time can be there and the screen time can be productive at the same time. Instead
Yes.
of making them seeing some, meaningless stuff, we can make them see the virtual classes on the screen.
Yes, ma'am, it's like this, that the screen time is, we use screen time for making the kids eat food and all that, which can be stopped. And now
Entertain,
the
yes.
screen time,
And
now the
use
screen
them.
time can be used for the productive way rather than, just staring at the screen and gaining no knowledge. So it's in a
Right,
productive
ma'am.
way
Right.
now.
Yeah, a very beautiful answer given by Bafna ma'am.
Thank you.
The same question goes to Mrs. Dangi. Ma'am, can you as a parent imagine art not having any learning for the next 1 year when the virtual classes are the only option and the safest option for education? Continue.
Mentors are the only people who makes and understand the process of learning very well. We as a parent don't know it. And as Nirupama ma'am said, we have fully faith on TEM mentors. They will make it very productive, whether it be a virtual classes or online classes or classroom.
Physical classes, yes.
Physical classes are there. We have total faith on the TEM team and you people. So definitely I have full confidence on you that my kid will learn what you will teach through virtual process.
Thank you
So
so much.
another feedback from the side of parent that schooling cannot be departed from the kids. Schooling is an essential part of the kids' personality. Mrs. Munot,
Yeah, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, how would the world look like without schooling for kids? Can you imagine Deshna not learning anything for the next 1 year, sitting idle?
I just can't imagine. I think virtual classes are the best option in this situation. And with our the evolving mind guidance, this will be great for kids. And not only Deshna, but even I am so excited that even I'm going to learn new stories or maybe new techniques which I can also teach her. So I think this
Ma'am,
is
the
the
same
best.
feedback which you are giving has been given by many parents that because of these virtual classes, we have learned many new things. How to teach our child. What are the techniques of teaching pre-primary kids? So it is
True,
me
very
as a
true.
parent also. I am very happy with these virtual classes actually.
Even me, like what happened, I used to teach her days of the week, but the kind of the way you guys do it, the same technique I used with Deshna, and she knows it, but the way you guys
She,
teach it,
she
it's
becomes
easier
oblivious.
and yeah, so it's very nice. I
Yeah.
really like
So
the
yeah.
whole
So
thing.
again, from the side of you, school is having a must existence in the life of a child.
Very true. And if Bhabhi is there, like Nirupama Bhabhi, so matlab, I have like total faith on her. Whatever she's gonna do, it is gonna be best for all the kids.
Actually,
So yeah.
she keeps on hunting things. What more I can do with my kids? What else we can ask the mentors to do for their day-to-day learning? She never sits free. She's like,
She's just
back to
she's
back.
just not a principal of this school, but for me, she's a parenting coach. मेरे को तो कुछ भी होगा, I just go to her. ऐसा ऐसा हो रहा है, so she'll clear all my doubts. So yeah, thank you,
Great.
Bhabhi.
Great.
Thank you so much.
And
Welcome.
that is the reason, our school we call parent oriented because any query of the parent is entertained at the first.
Very
At the
true.
first
Very
query.
true. Very true.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Munot, for your wonderful answer. My next
Thank you,
question,
ma'am. Thank you.
my same question will be from Mrs. Ganjevar.
Yes.
Mrs. Ganjevar,
Yeah.
can you as a parent imagine Shrija and Arjun not having any schooling for the next 1 year when the virtual classes are going to be only option?
Obviously not. I do want them to learn something. And I have this experience that Seeing the first time the TM school, I was very happy that infrastructure, their classes, the teachers. So I thought they have given their best to their kids, but even they are turning this bad screening time into good one and creative one, so that from that also the students are going to, or the kids are going to learn. So yes, as both the parents said, yes, it is a very exciting experience for us as well, and it will be a very productive. And we have seen too much faith on the school, so they will use the screen time as well for the more productive activities. So we are
Thank you.
very happy. We'll be very happy with these virtual classes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Leena, ma'am, you are the next for my same question.
Yes,
That can you imagine Aru not having any schooling for the next 1 year when the virtual
No,
classes are going to be the only option?
ma'am, I can't imagine my son not saying in a day abracadabra and घोड़े जैसी चाल and हाथी जैसी दुम. No, Baba, no. Because actually in this negative situation, only this is the positive way we can make them understand कि हाँ बेटा, school is going to open. Meet your friends virtually, then very soon you are praying Guru Brahma, with that you pray that also, Corona go, go, go. In this way we can make them feel positive and be attached to school also, because not being attached to school, and they to will be next to impossible. Then being a mentor, being a team, in a team of TEM, I see how ma'am is taking pains, like for kids, what to do, what not to do. So I am so definitely in with this virtual classes, and thankful to ma'am also for creating this idea for such a small kids also. Like they are like 2.5, 3 years old. Like many parents feel कि छोटे हैं अभी नहीं जरूरत, but it's very important for them also. It's really very important to be attached to the schools, to be attached to the mentors, to be attached to the friends actually. Thank you so much, Nirupama ma'am, for being kind for our kids also.
My pleasure, ma'am. They are not only your kids, they are my kids, they are our kids. So, you know, we have to do best in this negative situation also. We have to find something positive and we have to rock, and we have to make our kids rock.
Yes.
So thank you
Yeah.
so much, parents. Yes, Vibha.
Yeah, thank you, Leena, ma'am. So by listening to all the parents collectively, we can say that learning is an unstoppable process. We cannot stop learning because of any challenges coming in our way. We adults at the time of lockdown have always thrived to learn something new, do something new, either it be learning any professional course, cooking new recipes and putting it on FB, creating some productive thing, you know, some creative things. So why we should keep deprived our kids of this virtual education? They also have the right to education even in this lockdown period. And I feel virtual education is the only safest way to make our child keep learning. So this is a parent from me who is speaking for
Yes.
Abhimanyu. And
Yes,
before I wrap up this all panel discussion, my heartfelt gratitude to Mrs. Preeti Dange ma'am. Thank you for sparing your valuable time and joining us on this panel discussion. Our bubbly parent, Mrs. Kushbu Munot ma'am.
Thank
A lot of
you.
thank you for joining us on this lovely webinar platform.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for having us.
Heartfelt gratitude to Mrs. Ganjivar, to one of the most active parents and inspiring, I should say, you know, ready for everything, anytime. So thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
ma'am, for joining us on this platform. Leena, ma'am, you have always been phenomenal
Thank
as a parent, as a
Pleasure.
teacher. Yes,
Pleasure,
yes.
ma'am. Thank you.
A lot of thanks from the side of the team of TEM to you for joining us here on this wonderful platform. Thank you so much. Hope to see you in our next webinar.